Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a very beautiful sari and of course my latest designs and collections. So this is the sari that I would love to share with you all today. So this is the floral pattern. Again, floral pattern is in trend right now. I did not spend a lot of money on this sari, but yet this is an elegant design. The main reason that I got this sari is because of the long border here. Again, not only the long border, cotton sari with a kanchi border, so that's the reason I loved it. And long borders usually elevate the sari very well, and at the top they have given the smaller border with a gold pattern to it. So overall this one is, I loved it. But for the pallu, I'm not really fond of pallu because I'm not sure why they have given floral pattern with the lines pattern. Maybe that's in trend, I'm not sure. But overall I loved it because of the border that we got for this sari. So this is the overall design. Again, border matched very well with the lines pattern and of course to the floral pattern as well. So this is the blouse that I got for this sari. I loved it because of the border that they have given for hands, and for the top they have given this border. I'm planning on using that as a v-neck kind of thing, and if at all I got this stretched, I'll definitely share with you all the video for that. And so this is the overall thing. Friends and viewers, let me know what you all think in comment section about this sari, if you like this sari or not. Now let's move on to the second blouse that I've selected for this. The blouse is not stitched. This is the blouse that I wore for this sari. Friends and viewers, let me know what you all think, whether this blouse matched to this sari or not. I really like this blouse, and I think it matched very well. So moving on to the neck design. So this is the first one that I've selected. Again, this is like, you have this purple and white bead kind of thing, so that's the reason I've selected. But for the sari that I wore this black beads chain, and it matched very well. So the pendant itself will show because of the collar neck, and collar neck is also in trend right now. Moving on to the earrings, these are the first earrings that I've selected, and again, these ones I'm sure I've definitely shared with you all in my previous videos, but the only reason I share with you all is just to get an idea. So these are the second earrings. Again, these are also my all-time favorite. So these are the two earrings that I've selected for today. Now let's move on to the bangles that I've selected for this sari. So this is the first set I've selected. The main reason I've selected, again, because of the floral pattern we got, and also the pink and white stones on this gold looking bangle match perfectly. And this one is the second one. It has that white and pink stones on that bangle, so that's the reason I've selected. I've shared with you all this bangle in my previous video as well, perfectly matching to this. And moving on to the third one, this is also matched perfectly because of this white kind of design and everything. So for the other hand, you can wear a simple watch. So overall, these are the three different kind of bangles that I've selected for this sari here. Main reason that I'm selecting this sari is because of the blouse. I'm selecting a different blouse here. I've already made this video, and it's under my wedding collections, but this one is a brand new blouse that I got for another sari, but it matched perfectly well. And then for the border, they have stitched it, so I can't even put that into the bottom. But overall, I love this design. So but my friends all thought that this is a brand new sari with a different blouse, since I matched with a different blouse. So that's the reason. Matching with the different blouses will always give you a new look. And if you want to see the other two blouses that I shared, please watch that other video. And moving on to the kurti, nowadays I'm planning on, instead of making kurti videos separately, I want to put both the videos like sari and kurti in the same video. So that's the reason I selected. And the reason why I selected this pink one is the sari that I showed is also in floral pattern, so that's the reason I've selected this. And for this, the reason why I cannot use a dupatta is because this is like a very falling material, so that's the reason I've selected this jeans jacket. It pulled it all together very well, because now you will get this trendy look instead of wearing a dupatta all the time. Jeans jacket also, and especially we got this lace and everything. Jeans jacket matches very well with floral pattern, and you get that western kind of look. And even I got many compliments for this. And also, if you wear like a very bracelet, like a simple bracelet kind of thing, and then the bracelet that I wore for this outfit is like mix and match again. So this is the bracelet that I wore. I got many compliments. The reason why I'm sharing with you all these ideas is so that you can use these ideas for the collections that you got. And this is the top that I recently got, and I really loved it, and especially because of this lace pattern and then the full sleeve length, and I really loved it. And then the reason why I'm showing all this is just to give you guys an idea of how to mix and match latest collections, latest blouses, and of course the matching jewelry. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa Zone 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one everyone. Bye.